Yeah guys, right, we're back today from getting the car. Now, right, I'm going to show you the alloy and you got to guess what car it's going to be, okay? Obviously going to know what brand it is, but ready? Here goes. Ready? Look at that beauty. Running sweet as well. I bought it as a repo. Obviously had no key, so we had to risk it. But in this game you got to risk everything. So this is it here. It is immaculate inside. Don't think you've seen an interior that clean of it. Look at that. No rips, no nothing. Even the alloys are a bit dirty, but there's not a single scratch or mark on this car. Inside, look at that, what a minter. All the leather is literally not a single mark on it. It's done, what was it done? 96,000. It's a CLC 2.2 diesel sport. Electric folding mirrors, all that sort of stuff. Great tyres. There's actually not a mark on it. The only mark I can see is this tiny little scuff, which I'll probably just polish out. Proper beast. Shame it's obviously not like an AMG or something, but it's a nice little car. Bit weird shape, but it's very nice, very well made. Try and show you guys the engine. It's a very big, it's a 2.2 4-pot. Don't know what brake it is, 140 or something, 150. Yeah, not massively, but what a beast of engine. Well looked after. Whoever had this last definitely looked after it. There's not much for me to do. The only thing I can see so far is these discs look really rubbish and they're so thin, and the pads are completely gone. And obviously when you pick your foot to release the handbrake down, you've got the handbrake here, let go of that, and then you're pulling this up while you pull this just to release it. So that's off now. Seems like it needs proper adjusting, so that's got to be the old discs and pads. So I'll probably sort that out and then wash it, polish it, and then chuck it out the door. Anyway, I thought I'd just show you this quick flip. Obviously this ain't nothing to do with the 500 to whatever I get up to challenge. This is just a usual daily flips I do every couple of weeks or whatever. Believe it or not, my missus actually trades this car, so she bloody always ends up getting good cars and I end up getting the rubbish. Anyway, speak to you soon guys, see you later, bye.